Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add YouTube music in CapCut. No need to download YouTube music. So at first open YouTube and find copyright free music. If you using iPhone, so at first record skin, okay, and then open and then play music and record your display. Stop and stop my screen recording. Okay, open CapCut to new project, select an video, click on to add, and showing you to add audio option, simply click on to sound and select sound from your gallery. So click on and showing you to extract audio from video. So recently I am screen recording, so selecting this, okay, click on to add, okay, and then automatically extract to select and then add this audio. So that's how you can easily use YouTube music, no need to download.